Hi, I'm Stan Williams, and this is the trailer for the Moral Premise Statement episode, which is part of the Moral Premise Storycraft Training Network. Obviously, we're going to be getting at the heart of what this whole series of training is about. We're going to be covering the whole concept of verisimilitude and how we're going to be able to take ironic characters, a physical improbability in the hook, and the values and conflict, the psychological motivations of our story, and we're going to integrate them into one thing. And that one thing is based in what I call the values-action-values cycle. This is where we take psychological values that drive physical actions, and those physical actions drive psychological values. And that is what develops, and that's what is the fundamental human principle for what I call the moral premise statement, where some psychological vice leads to a physical detriment and some psychological virtue leads to physical betterment. And that sets up both the psychological and the physical ironic conflict of all good stories. We'll show you some examples of how this is articulated in, like The Incredibles, and how it plays out in Act 3 of Die Hard. And then we talk about the fifth secret to successful stories, and that's the consistent application of the moral premise throughout everything in your story. So that's what we're going to be covering in the Moral Premise Storycraft Training episode titled The Moral Premise Statement. Hope you can be with us. I'm Stan Williams.